What's the word, man? I'm back with another YouTube video, you know what I'm saying? POV drive, whatever the case may be. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? We in the 300C SRT, you feel what I'm saying? And I guess you could just call this a rainy day POV drive. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna be cutting up. I ain't gonna be acting crazy. I ain't gonna be doing all of that other crazy shit, you know what I'm saying? And lighting, you feel me? Yeah, it's in sport mode. That beautiful part, you know what I'm saying? It's in sport mode, so it's kind of staying at a hard RPM for throttle sensitivity, like. Yeah, that's crazy. You know what I'm saying? Just a smooth. Damn, it's lightning and shit. I'm gonna turn traction up. Damn, what the fuck is going on with the traffic? Yeah, you could tell the difference in sport mode. Damn, this bitch wobble, boy. Ooh, shit. She got a little herky jerky.